Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video on my channel. I'm the Car Chap and today I thought it'd be interesting for you lot to watch along and see how I go about cleaning and detailing a car and getting it up for sale. So yeah, I am an amateur car dealer and I bought this car in and today I'm going to be cleaning it up because as you can see it is in pretty rough shape cleanliness wise. So it just needs a really good going over. There's a bunch of really annoying bits of dirt and stuff, so I thought it'd be an interesting video if I show my process of how I detail a car and how I get it really nice and clean and shiny and ready for sale. Now this car is only a cheap car, it's not going to be very expensive, it's just one that I'm getting in and getting gone. I've put an MOT on it and a bunch of other stuff. As you can see, there's already a bit of mud and cow muck which has fallen off the car. This thing had lived in Wales for the past year of its life, so it's pretty smothered in the stuff. Anyway, let's take a look around and I'll show you some of the lovely bits of grime. So yes, I think I've proved my point, it just needs a real good clean. As you can see, this leather seat is a little bit worn out. It's not too bad, but it's got a few cracks and it's lost a bit of colour. So let's see what we can do about it with some leather conditioner. Now what I didn't record is how long I actually spent buffing up the interior and making it all nice and tidy in the cockpit, and it came out really nicely, but I'll show you that at the end of the video. So now it's time to give the exterior of a car a good wash. The amount of muck that I had to hose out from the wheel arches and the tyres and all that sort of area was insane. But the last thing you want is somebody looking at the tyre or looking under the car and then they see a bunch of muck and grime, so it's best to spend my time now and get all of that muck off the car. And here's the finished product. Now, I really can't believe how well this car cleaned up. It was so dirty before, and there was muck in every corner, under every crevice, and in every part of the car. It was just dirty all the way through. But now it really does look like it's actually a normal car, and it looks like it's worth a bit more money too. Now there are still some swirl marks and some light scratches which I really need to buff out. I need to get my polisher out one afternoon and just give it all a go. But for now it really does look nice. The paintwork looks shiny, the wheels look silver again, and the tyres look glossy and they're not covered in cow muck. I've actually put some tyre dressing on the grille here. I've put new screw caps on the number plate as well. All these little things really add up and make the overall appearance of the car much nicer. Particularly on the back, you can really see some of those swirl marks. I will get those polished, but damn, I say this is a good looking car. Considering how old it is, it really does look a nice little coupe. Now let's take a look at the interior. Ooh, the bit where I spent the most time probably, and oh my god, look at how it's come out. Those seats look far better. There isn't dirt all over the floor. The carpets have cleaned up nicely. All the trim pieces look clean and they aren't covered in dirt. Look at it. I'm actually more than happy with how this car cleaned up. And that being said, I quite enjoyed making this detailing video. If you do want to see more cleaning videos, maybe a more in-depth one, then let me know down below in the comments. Now thank you all very much for watching, and also thank you for 50 subscribers. I know it's not that much, but it means a lot to me, so thank you. I really appreciate everybody who watches my videos. There is definitely more to come, I can promise you that. With that being said, thank you very much for watching. I really hope to see you again next time, and goodbye.